Hi everybody, I'm Andrea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful sunset, sunrise. I don't know how the sunset is where you live, but apparently these are the colors that the sunset is supposed to have. I was inspired by the Natasha Denona the sunset palette, and I've created this beautiful warm orangey golden tone kind of a makeup. This is suitable for blue eyes. If you've got blue eyes, this is going to look fantastic on you. Obviously, I think that it looks good on brown eyes. In my opinion, it looks good on me. But if you've got blue eyes, this is going to look really spectacular. This is suitable if you've got very small space like I do. You see, I don't have a lot of space between my eyebrows and my lashes, but it's also amazing if you've got a lot of space. For this look, I've used a little bit more full coverage foundation. So if you're into that, this look is for you. Before we get into this video, make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, that you've clicked on that ring bell button if you haven't done it already. If you did, thank you so much. Now, if you'd like to see how I've created this beautiful sunset, orangey makeup look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start by applying this brightening CC serum from By Terry. I absolutely love this product. It gives a beautiful, beautiful glow to the skin. If you've got dull skin, if you're tired, it's just going to brighten up your skin. I'll take it with the It Cosmetics Flawless Complexion Brush. Meet my new friend Jimmy right here. Say hi. I'm going to use this NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I am mixing the color Fiji with Stromboli. It's been a long time since I haven't used a beauty blender. And this foundation covers mistakes in life. Super good coverage. It doesn't look crazy on the skin, like it doesn't look like it's a mask. If you need coverage, I absolutely recommend this foundation. I'm gonna try for the very first time this Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I have never tried this before. Let's just see how it's like. I'm using the color Light Medium Honey. I wanna try it with the fingers first. Wow, it's super creamy. I don't know how this is going to be creaseless. When you apply your concealer, you want to focus where you actually need it. Don't apply concealer where you don't really need it, because if you get too close to the lashes, that's where you've got some fine lines. You don't actually need concealer in there, and it's gonna crease because there's movement in there. With this Kat Von D brush, I'm going to take my Wonder product. You already know how much I love this Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. This is an intensity 1. Super long wearing, like, where I can count on this product when, I'm doing photo shootings, or I want to have a makeup that's lasting for long hours. I don't do this all the time, but I feel like doing it right now. I'm going to contour my nose. I'm using the same product, just a Misa 21 brush. Alright guys, time to powder everything. My favorite Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder and my Kokutan brush from Hakuhodo. First, I like to set the under eyes, okay, because that's where you've got movement, and then chin, basically around my mouth. And then I also like to apply some powder on the forehead. Here's the thing. The moment it started to be a little bit warmer in Paris, my face, it's like it's a different face. I'm getting so oily on the T-zone. And I used to be dry right here. I'm not dry anymore. I'm just have normal skin. But it's amazing how the skin changed. For this makeup look, I'm going to use 2 palettes. Actually, one main palette, which is this one from Natasha Denona. This is the Sunset palette. And then I'm also going to use this MAC one, but actually it's only for this color right here, this very bright orange. First color that I'm going to use is this one right here. I'm using this Misa M06 brush, and I'm applying this color in the crease. You don't have to be too precise. Don't worry if the color got a little bit on the mobile lid. It's okay. I'm taking a clean blending brush and just diffuse this color. Make sure it's like a wash of color. Then with this 217 blending brush from MAC, I'm going to mix this color right here in the middle, the one that I've just used, and the bright orange from the MAC palette. And we're going to create that beautiful eyeshadow like right here on the mobile lid. And right here at the outer corner, I lift a little bit this eyeshadow color. Just a tiny little bit, can you see? Again, with that clean brush, I make sure the edges are nice, blended. I come with another layer of this mixture of eyeshadows. Then with a pencil brush, this one is from MAC 219 brush. I use the same mixture and I apply it on the lower lashes, right at the base, including the inner corner. Then with a 217 brush from MAC, I just blend the edge. Then I'm going to use this Laura Mercier Caviar Stick. This is in the color Metallic Taupe. I'm going to use it on my waterline. Then I'm going to mix this color right here with this color and this color. With this Morphe M514 brush on the brow bone, but lower, not really under the eyebrows, just a little bit lower, and also in the inner corner. Then with a flat brush, I'm going to take only Sun-Dazed and apply it right under the brow. I'll take this Urban Decay. This is the pencil that you're supposed to use on the waterline, and I'm going to tight line. I try to use it not really on the waterline, mostly like in between the lashes. Next, I'm going to take this tiny brush. This is a Morphe M416 brush and a pencil. This is a pencil from By Terrine, and it's my favorite because it's the blackest black, and I apply it very, 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 very close to my lashes. I'm not going to apply it as a eyeliner or anything like that. Just, at the base of the lashes to make the lashes look darker and thicker. I'm taking a black eyeshadow. It doesn't really matter what black eyeshadow you're using, and go ahead and reinforce that black. I'm going to use this Tarte mascara. The brush looks like this. Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC. It looks kind of crazy right now. What highlighter does, it just brings back the life into the skin. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter onto the nose. Now I'm going to bronze using this Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is in Shady Biz. I'm going to use this blush. This is the Prism blush in the color 10 Power. And you know what? I'll just take it with the same brush that I was using, the bronzing powder. On the lips, I'm going to use this Nude Envy lip liner. These are actually my favorite lip liners. I'll go on with this Too Faced lipstick. The color is so pretty. This is in Strip Search. Let me use a brush to spread this. That's too light and too pink, but I think it's perfect for the next product. Next, I will use this Too Faced Dream Cycle. This is a beautiful, beautiful lip gloss. Oh yeah, now we're talking. That's a little bit better. I can't. Let's just keep this honest. I love to see that on other women. I just can't. It gives me anxiety. Don't ask me why. I left the lip liner. Let's just only move on with the lip gloss. One of the reasons why you see me all the time using my fingers on my lips is because I really can't stand a very thick lipstick, especially when it's creamy or a lip gloss. I can't, just the thought of it. Oof. This is enough. Here's the setting spray. I found it. It's right here. Morphe. Continuous Setting Mist. Alright guys, I've completed the look with earrings. I think that gold works better with this makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it already, and that you've clicked on that ring bell button. This is the only way you're going to be notified when I'm posting new videos. I love to create for you. If you have any ideas on looks that you would like to see, let me know in the comments. It would help me a lot. Come and hang out with me on Instagram. I'm super active on stories. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Water. I asked you like 5 times. No, I can't. Nah, well, you gotta put it in here. It's like, can I drink from the bottle? What do you think I am? No idea what I'm gonna call it. This makeup. She said this is the Sunset palette. Because the sunset is pink.